Always gotta light a candle when you're cooking. Makes you feel like Martha Stewart. Oh, talent. What are we doing today? It's a very exciting day here at Bobby Boyd Living because listen, since day one, the first thing we brought you was on the floor of my kitchen at the other house, making my spicy skinny margarita. And then we went into some other things. And then we went into TikTok hack. We went into everything, right? Today at Bobby Boyd Living is the first day, the first time, the first video, the first recipe that is all 100%. I came up with this recipe on my own. Literally it was 1 o'clock in the morning. I was laying in bed, I couldn't sleep, and I kept thinking about how I miss movie theaters. And I was like, oh God, when you were a kid, you used to get the big thing of popcorn because you didn't care about calories then. And then like you would dip, like you put like the Raisinets in there or the M&Ms or malt balls because you wanted the salty and the sweet. And I was like, I wonder if I can come up with like a dessert treat that kind of encompasses all of that. But to my knowledge, nobody has had this combination. I am fully aware that probably everything exists in this world. I just have not seen it. I have not seen the recipe. I did not Google this recipe. I did not get it on Tickety Talk. I did not get it on Instagram, Facebook, MySpace, Plays, Flip It, Flip Your Mom, none of it. I got it in this big old head. So what I call it is S'mores Popcorn Bake. You need store-bought kettle popcorn, mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, crushed up graham crackers, brown sugar, white sugar. This is light corn syrup, stick of unsalted butter, baking soda, and you want a little bit of sea salt. Oh, and you need 2 9x13 rectangular cake pans, line them with some wax paper. That's all you need. Period. Feed the needy. What is going?
I'm busy.
Hello? Is Josh here? Oh, that's so cute. He's not home, but we can accept the Valentine's Day gift from him if you like. What? This is so cute. Oh, well, you just made my day. Happy Valentine's Day. This is crazy. Bye, thank you so much. This is so cute. Oh my God. Just when I think I've thought of everything, I have never thought of that. My little heart, my little gay heart just skipped it. That would be my child. That's my child. Does he want to be adopted? We were just interrupted by the most adorable Valentine's Day, like, I think you would call that a gram. All right, so your 10 cups of kettle popped popcorn, your 5.5 cups of your mini marshmallows, your 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, come on, and then your 1.5 cups graham crackers. There we go, just mix it up. All right, fun part next, follow me. Here we go. Put your little griddle on. So basically what you're gonna do here is you're gonna add your butter, your sugar, light corn syrup. So you're stirring it now until it gets combined, 5 to 7 minutes, and then you'll let it kind of sit there for another, I would say 5 because you don't want it to burn. It's all combined as you can see. Now you're gonna let it come to a boil. You want it to reach 245 degrees, which is the firm ball. You don't want it to get the soft crack, which you can actually see on your candy thermometer, see? Soft crack. You don't want the soft crack, you want the firm ball. Come on, firm ball. No, it's only at about 215. We need a nice, smooth 245. Okay. So let me take that out. Now you throw the salt, chemical reaction, baking soda, chemical reaction. Mix that up really quick. Take your spatula, you pour it directly into your mixture. Okay, now you mix and you just fold in your ingredients. Does it not smell like a movie theater? Come on.
Oh, it does. What movie are we gonna watch with this?
What rating do you want? I done told you, preheated your oven to what? 350 degrees. You have your 2 9x13 rectangular cake pans. Okay. 1/2. This is just, it's heaven. And it's my first very own recipe. My very own. That's right, Oprah. How many points is this on Weight Watchers, girl? 500 points. I wish I could do an Oprah impersonation. When it comes out of the oven, ideally I like to cut it into symmetrical, cubes. You put these in the oven now for 20 minutes because you want the chocolate and the marshmallows to all melt together. All right, so the magic of TV, because I care about you. I already made some, and Olympia has already tried some. So this one is the one she tried. This is the one that I drizzled caramel on. But this was the original recipe that I came up with without the caramel. So one with, one without. I cut my little squares. Ooh, yes. Time to try it. I'm nervous. It's kind of like having a baby and you're like, you gonna be cute, cone head? Olympia, don't lie. Olympia, don't lie. I told her, I was like, you think everything I do is good. Tell me if it's not great because I need to like revise it. She said, no, 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 it's amazing. First thing, I'm a freaking genius at 1 o'clock in the morning, okay? Because this, here's the truth. I am proud of myself. Amazing, and it wasn't hard. It didn't take us that long to make it. If you are inclined to try a recipe, this is the one so far. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment, tell me how much you love me. Subscribe, that's how you really prove your love. And then don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you know when the next Bobby Boyd Living original recipe hits your YouTube screen. You know what I mean? I will see you next week. Bye-bye.